guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to unbox the new Samsung Galaxy A51. So guys, let's get started. Guys, here is the Samsung Galaxy A51, which is a Father's Day gift from my mother to her father. So guys, let's unbox. So first of all, you get some Samsung SIM ejection pin, and then some paperwork inside. So guys, this is a warranty card, and this is the buyer signature and this is a quick start guide, as you can see. And so yeah, let's keep this paperwork away. So here's the phone, as you can see, a bit of prism. So let's keep this inside. So we get cable for the charger, USB-A to USB Type-C, and this is the charger. This is of, I think, 15 watts fast charging adapter, and we get the headphone. This is not from AKG, this is from Samsung itself, like from Samsung itself, they made it. So guys, let's get into the phone. So this is the phone. I've already set it up and all. It's really smooth. Right now the wallpaper is live one. Yeah, so guys, it's really smooth. So guys, I'll do a quick game test review of Subway Surfers. So yeah. So guys, I'm sorry I am not able to download the game because I don't have any Wi-Fi right now. Like I do have, but I forgot the password. So after I know the password, I'll make another video of gameplay test in this. I think the 60 Hz. So I'll be playing Call of Duty or PUBG. So yeah guys, see you in my next video. Peace out.